It's 6:45 in the morning, and we have to change some brakes. Sky and Dad, let's build. That was nice. I like that one. Oh, that's cold.
Yeah, it's freezing. Go grab some gloves or something. So there's a spot under here you gotta put it on there. You see the two little points?
Yeah.
How it sits right on that square?
Yeah.
Right. So that's where you want it. Here.
Okay, and start cranking?
Hook it and start spinning.
This way?
Yep. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You don't want to pull, you just want to spin. You don't want it to turn. So make sure you're in the spot. Yeah, you just want to turn.
That's tightening it.
That's what we want. We want it to be tight. Here, watch. Let me show you first.
I got it.
You got it? No, here, watch. Let me show you, please. Can I show you without you just assuming you got it? You got to be able to be willing to learn, man. So just grab right here and do this.
You broke it.
I didn't. It's always going to do that. All right, give it a shot. So grab it, and then you're just cranking it. Yep. It's going to be kind of heavy. You got this, buddy. Crank her up. All we want to do is loosen them at first. It's okay, put all your weight on it.
Down or
Yep, down, down, down. Push hard. Jump a little bit. There you go. You want me to break them?
No, I don't.
Okay. Sure you don't want me to break it real quick?
Mm-hmm.
Break it or you're sure?
I'm sure.
Well, come on, man.
Okay, yeah, break it.
I'm sure we'll hook him. Why aren't you hooking? What are you doing? Clearly it's not ready to come off yet. If you're just tugging on it, keep spinning. What?
Uh-oh.
Can't just tug them off.
It came off.
Nice, perfect.
It's not coming off.
So smack it.
Smack it or
No, here. There we go. It's gonna be heavy.
So don't put my feet under it?
No. Definitely don't want your feet under it just in case it falls on them. Luckily, the tire won't hurt too bad. Just lift up and pull out. Good job. Did you just put that on your pants? I don't really remember. It's been a very long time, but we're going to figure this out together. I believe we take these two off right here. So you just put it on top and then just crank it down. Actually, this one might have to go up. Yep, up is loose. So you do this one, take that one out, and then there's one right here on the bottom that you can do if you want to. Keep there. You see it? That's the one you want. And then you want to pull up on this one. And watch your fingers because you might scrape them. But it's okay. If you do, that's just man stuff. Should I have saved you the top one?
Yeah.
You need me to break it?
Yeah.
You want to finish it?
Yeah.
And then just pull it while you're loosening it, because that one will just pull out eventually. There you go. Yeah, just drop it. Now the bottom one. Okay, now this part needs to be very careful, so
Okay.
watch out. So this is gonna be what holds your brake pads.
Uh-huh.
If we did it right, it should just come right out. So this, you don't want it to fall, because see that wire?
Uh-huh.
That'll fall and break. So we don't want it to fall. You want to sit it up here. Then you just pop these out.
This big wire?
Here, grab these and pop these out. Actually, it'll dirty your fingers up before school.
I can wash my hands.
All right, and then these should just pull out. There we go. Just like that. They're getting close. I mean, there's still quite a bit on there. No, that's metal. Woo! Dragging metal to metal. All right, so they give us the wrong pads. They gave me the wrong pads.
Yeah, those are way too small. Way too small.
Well,
Okay, stay for part 2, guys, apparently. I'm back from school. We got the new pads, and let's go.
what are you doing? Make music? Get it, get it, get it, get it. Pick that up. Let's not do that. Come on. We're not gonna throw stuff around, especially in the street. All right, we got a job to do before we lose the sun. Boy, you're gonna hurt your teeth. Don't do that.
Too late.
Did you get it at least?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You got this. One for the front and then one for the back. And what I mean by that is back of this and then front of this. That's the difference between these pads. There's nothing on there. These not come with the little springies? Oh, no little springies. Well, it's supposed to have little springs. But then we should just pop it right in. Boom. Right there. Oh, yeah. There we go.
Pull that up.
All right.
Cut your beard right here.
Grab the clamp right behind you. And then you're going to take the clamp and clamp this closed. Because if not, look, it's not going to fit. Because it's pushing the brakes. And the lower the pads go, the more it has to push in, or else it wouldn't be gripping. So that's how low our pads were.
So that's not good.
That's not good at all.
There's no glue.
All right, so I'm gonna set that right there. You get that ready.
I get this ready? I do it?
Yeah, I need you to clamp that shut.
Can you hold it?
Yep.
You hold it, I do it.
So you'll put the clamp like this and then clamp it. You're gonna have to let go. I've got a better clamp in the trunk if you want. That has a quick release so you don't have to spin it open. You got it.
It's fine. It's fine.
All right, now clamp her shut. Need some hair, I'll hold this side for you. There we go. Ooh.
My undies are showing. Don't look at my undies.
Don't look at his undies. Yep, you're gonna have to clamp it. Keep going.
Okay.
All right, so now that that's nice and tight, Loosen this up. Get rid of that. And I just want you to put this on here and then put those bolts back. Got it?
Move, fuck!
Yep. Yeah, that's dirty. Okay, so take that, put it right up on there, and then use that wrench.
And then the wind?
Got some hand tighten them.
It's dirty.
It's very dirty.
It's dirty.
And then make sure you're pulling down to tighten.
Because it was up last time?
Yep. So you're gonna have to flip that little switch. Yep. And you're not on it. Make sure you're on the bolt. Take this hand and hold the top. No, other way around. So that hand holds the top of that. So that's in place. And that tightens, yep. And tighten it up. And you'll do that for both of them.
Move these out of my way. What side?
Other side. Good job, bud. Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Now?
Yep.
Okay. What do I do?
Alright, so first,
First?
we're going to take the tire, place it onto those. Can you lift it? Alright. You're going to want to try to line up the nuts. Alright, now.
Where are my nuts at?
So you want to put them all on loosely, and then I'll show you how to tighten them.
I sat on this, it poked my butt.
That's not good. Alright, so now when we tighten them, you're going to do it across. So you'll tighten this one as tight as you can, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, and you'll go all around.
That's it?
So you go in across. You don't do it like in a row. Boom, boom, boom.
And
Yep.
then that one stuck.
And you're pulling up.
Huh?
And you're pulling up. Nice. Put your body into it. Yep. All right, now do the other one. And make sure that you're in there tight, because if you put your body weight on it and you're not in there, you're going to fall backwards.
And that's no good.
Yeah. Oh, put your weight on it. Don't be afraid. As hard as you can. Push. All right, you got it. Now do the top and then the one on the bottom. No. Oh, yeah, that works. That works too. Just make sure you go across.
I go to that one.
Yep. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Get you changing brakes. Proud of you, bud. Look at her hands. Man hands.
Mine's dirtier.
Man's. Can you face the other way? So your butt's up towards the cam.
Hello?
Mooning the camera. So your little booty.
Embarrassing.
You're embarrassing mine. You're embarrassing mine. All right, go. Got this. Push. Now the top one. Yeah, buddy. Good job. All right. Let me go.
You can trust me.
Skyler,
What from this?
let me run through, Bart. All right, it's not about not trusting you. It's about you not having the strength. Whoop, let's hurry out. Nice. 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 That's good. That's a lot of weight I'm having to put on it, bud.
You think the top one?
I know. Just go through. Because every time you tighten one, it could mess it up on the other because it's moving the position. Good job, bud.